I want it to feel like home, but a man's home.
Man's home. Okay.
No
girly stuff. No girly stuff. Okay. We'll make it look good. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing with you a brand new video series where I'm helping decorate and style a mobile home. Now, just a quick backstory. This project is for Benny. Benny is a really close family friend. Him and my granddad were very close, very best friends. And Benny just purchased a double-wide mobile home in a 55+ neighborhood. And then he put a lot of money into it, renovated it, so that way all he has to pay now is lot rent. So it's a great retirement space. But now that he's gotten all the major projects done, he's hit that point where the home is just kind of empty and doesn't feel like home. So all this came about because my brother, my older brother, went over there and helped him, I think, move some furniture or maybe like a fridge or something. And he texted me, he's like, hey, I'm over at Benny's house, or I just left Benny's, and his house looks so nice. It's great. It just needs that homey touch. So I was like, look, I'm totally willing to come over there and film and do whatever I can to help him. Just ask him if he's okay with that. And Benny was like, come on over. You do whatever you want, honey. So that's what we're going to do. And hopefully with your help, we are going to be able to transform his space for him. So I did go over there today and I did a tour. I asked him what he wanted, what he didn't want. And he is such a simple guy. He's like, Carrie, you do whatever you want, honey. He's like, if anybody can do anything, it's you. I'm telling you right now, back whenever I did the ranch house projects, some of you may remember those. I did 2 bedrooms, the kitchen, and the family room up there. Him and my granddad were my biggest supporters. They kept coming and checking in on me all the time. And they were just like, wow, you're really working hard. And he even brought that up. He's like, you did an amazing job up there. Like, honestly, anything you do, I'll love it. So I am excited to kind of do something a little different, freshen up the content just a bit, but also do something for him too. And like I said, he's a really great guy that needs a little help. So yeah, let me show you the tour and then I will share with you kind of like my game plan. You'll see what I'm talking about when I show you. Hey.
It's really nice in here.
Oh, wow.
This is the stove your mom gave me.
Yeah, it looks really good. This place is huge.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Oh, look at how nice.
This is the living room, the dining. You know,
It looks so good.
You look and see what you think, Carrie. I don't
Okay,
know.
well, tell me what you want.
Huh?
What do you want? You just want it to feel like home?
I want it to feel like home, but a man's home.
Man's home. Okay.
No
girly stuff. No girly stuff.
No girly stuff.
Any anything?
I don't know. You look at the walls. You
Okay.
tell me if you think what you think on the wall. And
Yeah,
lamps.
lamps, curtain rods. Yeah. We'll get you a rug. You want a rug?
Say what, baby?
A rug for the floor?
You like the rugs there?
No.
got
Do you
rugs?
want one? Yeah. No.
Yeah, I like a rug. For the living room.
Okay.
For the living room.
So we're gonna try to work with them and get you some stuff, but we'll make it feel really homey.
Yeah, something like this right here.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah.
Because I got two of these here. Two of these
Cabinets,
containers here,
yeah.
or whatever you call it. Thing.
And then this is like your formal dining room. You want a little
Just like a formal.
Do you want a nice little table set for in there?
If you can get one,
Okay.
that one right there, I'm not really crazy about.
Yeah, it looks a little top
put the
heavy.
base in and everything. But,
Yeah, no, yeah.
You know, we'll be doing that later.
Yeah. You know that stuff I can do too. I know how to
Oh,
do all that.
You got the base.
Yeah, and then your
Boy,
kitchen.
You could get base.
You need a cutting board. You need like some wooden.
Cutting board.
Yeah, cutting board.
We're fixing to do the clothes.
Oh, I love your bedroom set.
But yeah, this is Ethan Island stuff here.
Oh yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, your bathroom's
This is the
huge.
bathroom. You know, everything's done. It's just in here. It's done.
Okay. It's just a matter of making it feel a little cozy.
Yeah, you just if
Okay.
you think it could do with some pictures or whatever.
Okay.
Maybe, I got all the nightstands that I need. I think.
Okay.
But lamps, you see, I need
Lamps and curtains and
yeah, I need some
some
lamps.
little art work. We'll get you some frames.
Whatever you think it needs.
Okay.
And you can feel, I don't know how you do it, baby. I know I saw you over at the camp. You do a video and all.
Right.
Do you want to be by yourself when you do the videos?
I don't mind as long as y'all don't care to be on the video.
Well, no, I'm not pretty.
It doesn't matter.
We're not.
You don't have to. You don't have to be.
Okay.
That's not what it's about.
Okay, this is a second. This is a.
Okay, so this is the guest bathroom. So you need a shower curtain.
I got a shower curtain.
Okay.
But if you can get one better, I just got the clear.
Okay.
You're quite welcome if you get one.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Okay. And this is the guest bedroom.
Okay.
The lamps, and then there's other stuff. I mean, you carry.
Is this a coffee table?
Huh?
Is this a coffee table?
I'm gonna use that coffee table there. Yeah.
Yeah, for out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. That's pretty.
Hey, baby, you know what this has got? This has got
What?
a hidden compartment. It's a
Yeah.
drawer, and it opens up, and you can
Heck yeah.
store stuff in it. That's really nice.
Yeah, we'll put that in the living
This
room.
came with it. The guy across the street gave it to me.
Oh, wow.
But
Yeah.
That all come together, and that right there is a chest.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave
Yeah,
it
this
in.
will be really pretty in the living room, I think. It'll fill that space out a little bit better.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll get all this done. It'll be a slow process, but we'll get it.
Well, this right here, I'm gonna change that there.
Right.
Everybody laughs at me about the fan.
I'm helping you decorate this.
Okay.
But I don't know what you think about doing with them walls there, Carrie.
Mm-hmm.
But
Just
Whatever you
open and
wanna
do
do.
whatever. Okay.
you give me this right here. It's a little bit dingy, but
Oh, yeah.
I cleaned it up and put new belts on it.
That
and
looks
everything.
nice, though.
Yeah.
No, at least you have everything. What's in here? Just a linen closet?
Just a closet, little
Yeah.
linen closet.
Okay. It looked real cute, Benny.
Yep.
But manly. We won't we won't have you in here in a little girl's house.
All right, baby.
We'll make it look good. I'll take
Yeah,
some
I don't want it
pictures.
dirty.
No, I know.
Just
Okay, I'm making a list of some of the things that I know we need. A rug for sure, lamps, curtains. It's so bright in here. Not only that, but the heat. Curtains help a lot, and blinds if we can get those. So we got rug, lamps, curtains. He needs new ceiling fans. I don't know if you can tell, but these are like drooping. We need a round table for in this little breakfast nook space. He said this table is not his favorite. It's a little top heavy, so it's kind of wobbly. And some chairs. We need some artwork, lots of artwork. And Lord knows I have plenty of that, so I'm sure I can change the actual picture inside and try to use what we can. But this is, honestly, such a great space to work with. I want to get new outlet covers too, because that alone will make a huge difference. So I'll go ahead and get a list of those. That's such an affordable fix. I'm counting out your receptacles. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, these will look better white.
Yeah.
That way it'll match with the wall. It won't be
That'd be
so.
great.
Yeah. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 in the kitchen.
Cans.
Garbage can. You need a new garbage can?
Yeah.
Okay,
I was
garbage.
going to paint it. I don't feel like buying a garbage can. It
Yeah.
works, but it's
No, I can get you one of those. I actually always have trash cans.
yeah.
Do y'all have the covers for those, or do you still need them? The covers for them.
Yeah, I got 'em.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
You take measurements and everything.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get the right curtain size.
All right.
Do you have
Oh, you're fine.
10?
Something like
Yeah, that's nice.
change one over.
60 inches you got it. 7 cards. Okay, no.
9. I'm going to show y'all a quick little tour of what we're working with. Now, I think we're going to start in the living room. And if I find other things, of course, I'll add to it. But I'm just going to give you a full overview of the whole place. So when you walk in through the door, you have your little breakfast nook over here. And then to the right, you have the kitchen. It's very cute. I love the colors of the cabinets. And then this way, straight ahead is the living room, dining room. And then here's a little hallway. You have the main bedroom. It's a nice little layout. Has all the mirrors here for extra light bouncing off. I feel like this room feels so big. And then back here is the bathroom. Toilet, and then a little stand-up shower. And then back through, This way, straight ahead, is the washer and dryer. This is just a little linen closet here. You have the guest bath. Nice size as well. I like the big mirror. That's great. And then this bedroom is the guest room. Ooh, I almost hit the thing. So, really nice. I feel like this has so much potential. It's just an empty, clean slate to start with, so it's gonna take some time, but not bad. And then this is the living room. It's great size. I mean, this couch is massive. We just need to get some curtains for sure. That'll immediately make it feel a lot more cozy. Some decor, rug, of course. And yeah, so y'all start leaving some comments. Let me know what you think. Oh, and then out here, they're working on the flooring out here, but this is like a little Florida room. This would be perfect for like a little coffee space, in my opinion. Like a really nice lounge chair with a coffee table. I think they would like that. So anyway, that is that. All right, so now that you saw the tour, do you see what I'm saying? How it looks really great. It's just kind of empty, and there's so many windows and no window treatments. It's like you're sitting in a fishbowl. So he doesn't want that. He wants it to feel warm and cozy. So I'm gonna try my best to do what I can on a budget. I actually, y'all saw me, I took measurements. I wrote down lists of all the things that I need to kind of just get started. And I do want to do another video where I basically show you each individual room, create a vision board for each space, a list of what needs to be done, because I think that's going to be the best way to kind of stay on track. But I was also thinking, there's a lot that you need for the whole space. And I asked him, I was like, where do you want me to start? Because there's so much that he wants, obviously, for the space, but it just takes time. So I said, what's the main area you want me to start with? He said, whatever you want to do. So I went back to like personally what I would do if it was my home, and I would start in the main living space, just because that's the area where if you invite family, friends over, even for like a dinner, that's where you're going to be hanging out. So I think that's a great starting point. And so I put a list together of a couple things that I know we need. And of course, as things come about, I will get them if I can. So we definitely need a rug. He wants lamps. He kept saying, I want lamps. He has no lamps in any of the bedrooms. He did get some for free, but they spray painted the lampshade, so it looks not good. So he needs lamps for both bedrooms, the living room. We need curtains, curtain rods. He does need a new ceiling fan in the living room. The one that's in there is like drooping. He said he was going to get a new one, but it was just going to take some time. So if I can find one cheap or free, sometimes Dylan finds them like for sale, or not for sale, like in the trash. So if I can find a fan, I'll get a fan. He needs artwork, decor for his shelves. He told me about some decor he had. He's like, I want to fill these up. He loves his little shelves that are in the living room. So I'm going to try my best, I think, to just start in there and then just kind of work our way around. I love the little breakfast nook too. I think it'd be really cool to create something really nice in there for him, because I can just picture him having coffee sitting there in the morning. So some, nice window treatments, a nice round table with a couple chairs. Maybe he can invite a neighbor over for coffee. A little coffee bar would be cool. So lots of ideas. It's just a matter of getting started. So let's do this. Start leaving me your ideas. I'll be taking lots of notes. I'll do an update video soon, and then we're going to start shopping. I actually went today. I went to the thrift store. I went with a friend. I was like, I'm going to run through and just see if I can find lamps or curtains or anything. I didn't find anything. I think it's going to take some time, but that's okay. Good things take time. So we're going to work on it slowly but surely and create something beautiful. So thank you guys so much for hanging out, watching. I hope you're excited about this series too. And I know Benny's going to be grateful for anything. So between all of our family gathering things that I can get, we'll do something. And I also would love to incorporate the whole budget aspect into this video series, showing you like what $200 can do, what $300 can do. So I really want to do that. And if y'all have any other suggestions, don't forget to let me know. But I will talk to you guys soon, hopefully in a couple days with a new video. And then I'll just make sure to put these videos all in a separate playlist in case you want to kind of go back and watch any of them. So yeah, it's going to be fun. I'm excited. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, y'all.